Hey everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be giving the top 5 certifications for getting started in cloud. Now there are a few ways which I've used to determine the top 5 certifications, and the first one is my personal experience. I've taken a lot of certifications in the past 2 years, so I have an understanding of a few of them and have taken a few of those exams already. I've also done a lot of research on these certifications, and I've been looking to take a lot of them myself. And I've also just come about this top 5 through conversation with other professionals who work in cloud computing also. And so if you are getting started in cloud computing, or you've been in cloud computing for a short while and are looking to get some certifications, then this video will be really helpful for you. You'll be able to see my perspective along with the research I've done on what are the best certifications to take for getting started in cloud. So without further ado, so number 5 on this list is the CCSK, which stands for Certificate of Cloud Security Knowledge. And this is a cloud security program which covers areas such as IAM, cloud security, incident response, application security, and many others. And the good thing about this certification and why it's made this list is that it is cross-platform. So it doesn't matter which cloud you're using, whether you're using Google Cloud Platform or Azure or AWS or IBM Cloud or whichever one, this applies to all of them. So it covers those aspects like IAM and application security, which really applies to all of these clouds. So that is number 5, CCSK. The one downer for this certification is it is very much on the more expensive side. In dollars, it costs $395, and in pounds, it costs 345 pounds. So yeah, it's quite expensive, but then again, it is a cross-platform certification, and it is well recognized. Number 4 on the list is the Google Associate Cloud Engineer. So this is the foundation for GCP. It gives you sort of a foundation to go on and get other certs with GCP. So it's definitely great for starting out in the cloud, and it is definitely great if you want to start learning GCP, and GCP is the direction you're going in and the platform you want to learn and use, then this certification is definitely for you. The certification costs $125, and I couldn't find how much it costs in pounds, but it's presumably around £105, something around that figure. Number 3 on the top 5 certifications for getting started in cloud is a bit of an interesting one. So for number 3, I've put in the AWS Solutions Architect. And this certification helps someone to display sort of advanced skills in the use of AWS. Now, as we know, AWS is the most popular cloud provider, and being able to show advanced skills in AWS sort of puts you out there and above those who are doing sort of foundational level things. But in order to go ahead and get this certification, you have to have an understanding. And if you do decide to go straight into taking this certification, it will most likely take a longer time to study. But the reason I've put this in on this list is that from what I've gathered, for those who don't want to go the easier route and take those foundational certifications and sort of want to go straight in and gain those advanced skills and the advanced knowledge of AWS, then this is the certification for you. It's definitely an opinion-based thing of, do I want to go through the foundations and learn from the foundational certs, or do I want to go straight into the advanced certs and the more recognized ones? The AWS Solutions Architect certification costs about $150, and it costs about 117 pounds. And so if you're someone who is looking for something more advanced and more challenging and wants to go straight into the more advanced certifications, then this is the one for you. However, if you would like to start at the foundations of AWS, then the next certification is for you. Number 2 on this list, we have the AWS Cloud Practitioner. Now, I've taken the AWS Cloud Practitioner myself, and I've also made a video on how you can pass this certification and what resources that I use to pass this certification. So do check that out. I'll leave a link in the description for that video. But the AWS Cloud Practitioner definitely provides that foundation for you to get an overview of the AWS Cloud. You get a good understanding of the services within AWS, an understanding of billing concepts, and those main security concepts also. So the AWS Cloud Practitioner is definitely a good place to start if you have no prior IT knowledge or have never had any experiences within cloud computing. It costs about $100 and it costs about £98. Now for the number one certification to get started in cloud. Yes, you guessed it. It is the Azure Fundamentals certification, also known as the AZ900. This certification provides a great foundation in Azure. And the reason that I've had to put this at number one is that I've taken this certification myself, and this certification is what kicked off my career in cloud computing. This certification gave me my foundation. It helped me to get my first job in cloud, and it's definitely helped me along the way in interviews to discuss cloud computing and to discuss Azure in ways that I never would have been able to if I didn't do this certification. I've made several videos about this certification, so please check them out, and they'll definitely be helpful in getting you to understand why I've put this certification as number one in this video. This certification, you could say, is the AWS Cloud Practitioner equivalent, but for Azure, and the certification costs about £82 and costs about $100. So there you have it. Azure Fundamentals is my number one. I definitely recommend anyone going after this certification if they're getting started in cloud and have no prior IT knowledge, or even if they have IT knowledge but they have no prior cloud knowledge. Thank you guys for watching. There are definitely more certifications out there that can help people get started in cloud. If you have any that I've missed out in this video that you believe is definitely a really good one to get started in cloud computing, then please drop that in the comment section for others to see. Thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and LinkedIn. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.